everybody, it's Patty, and I wanted to talk to you about a teeth whitening kit that I'm getting ready to try out. And it's actually from Snow Whitening. They're a company that started in, I think, 2015, working on a completely innovative proprietary complex formula that is formulated with dentists, and they've spent over $3 million in research and development. So that's a lot. It tells you everything on the outside sleeve of this box. There's Rob Gronkowski right there, showing off his smile. Shows you what's inside that capsule. Talks about the red light therapy that actually helps promote gum health. So there's a session for that as well. Water resistant, so you can actually use this when you're in the shower, so that's going to be time saving. They guarantee the results. Safe to use on bridges, crowns, braces, veneers, caps. Only good for you ingredients. So each system comes with up to 12 months of the proprietary formula. So this is 12 months of your teeth whitening formula. All-in-one, space-saving, dual light technology. The blue is for the whitening. The red is for the gum health, so don't be nervous when your mouthpiece turns red. That's actually designed for gum health. So all of this research that they put into this really has me excited about seeing results. I feel like I'm going to see results, and I'm not going to compromise my tooth enamel. I'm not going to compromise my gums. I'm not going to compromise my mouth health with anything, because sometimes I don't even know what the ingredients are. And it is vegan and cruelty-free and only good for you ingredients. So all of that has me really excited for the next couple of weeks while I give. Then I got the package in the mail. I was very impressed with the way that it was packaged. Yes, I'm so excited. I was sent some teeth whitening. I'm going to start from scratch and do the unboxing, but I knew that with this kit, there's actually a couple different kits that you can order through the Snow Teeth Whitening website, and you can see their configurations, but this is the big daddy. Professional results teeth whitening at home, and that's the one that I'm going to be talking about today. This is how it came. There's research and information on every single side of the box. The big thing for me is I've tried strips. They always seem to fall off. They also irritate my gums. That as far as tooth sensitivity or teeth sensitivity, I would just be in the middle. Just the normal teeth sensitivities, I would say, that I have. There's an app that you can use with this, which I'll get to in a moment. It's up to you, apparently, whether you want to use it or not. I just wanted to have the whole experience, so I went ahead and downloaded the app. Pull this out of the sleeve. This is how the box comes, which I thought was pretty impressive. And then when you open this up, say hello to your new smile. I like all of this. Already I was super impressed. Wow. It comes with a lip treatment or cord inside, because you actually charge this one. Like I said, there are two different kits. You can get this Big Daddy kit, and there's also kind of the on-the-go. This one's wired. You have to have this one plugged in, and this one is wireless. This little capsule right here. Open this up, and this is the actual charging device. It has the mouthpiece in the top. It's right here. And this door actually opens up, this way. And this is where the pens are stored, whitening pens. There are 5 total with this collection. There's 3 of the original formula. You get 1 desensitizing pen, and then the pen that's in the middle, this is the maximum strength. So I'm not going to be using that. I have not used this yet. I just opened it so that I could get it charged and see how it worked. So I'm going to actually pull out the whitening serum pen right here, one of those. The snowflake goes from white to blue, and you know that it's charging. All right, pretty cool. Anyway, so apparently it needs to be charged when the snowflake turns red. This system is supposed to remove coffee stains, wine stains. These are professional level of results. They highly recommend that you do a 21-day cycle. Ooh, so I actually took a before picture. I'll be starting this today. So this is actually the mouth guard or the mouthpiece, all kind of like soft silicone on the inside. This will disinfect this mouthpiece, which of course you will rinse and clean when you're done your treatment. You can do it anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes. The longer you do it, the better the results. If you do it for the 21 days, they guarantee the results. So this is pretty standard for me. I've seen these before. So it's just a matter of how is this treatment gonna feel? I went out of line. It actually says you need to apply the lip balm before you do your treatment. Stand by. You want to keep your lips moisturized during treatment, and I couldn't agree more. A lip treatment that they include in the package, and let's see, smells minty, shea butter, beeswax, chamomile, vitamin E, aloe vera extract, papaya, green tea extract, Brazilian nut oil, hyaluronic acid, and grape extract. So I'm going to go ahead, put this on. I brushed my teeth because that's actually step number 1. This is step number 2. I actually want to apply the teeth whitening serum directly to your teeth. So here we go. See you in 10 minutes. Finished my treatment, and it was very, very comfortable. The mouthpiece, I wasn't sure it was going to be comfortable, but it was actually very comfortable. Like the formula did anything to my teeth or made any type of sensitivity issues. There is a desensitizing pen that is actually included in this, and they recommend using that after your treatment to help with strengthening the enamel. That was pretty cool. So you want to now go ahead and disinfect this and pop it back into the unit, and then that will charge. I actually caught onto this from Rob Gronkowski. This is actually endorsed by him, by Miss Universe, by Floyd Mayweather, by Jen Atkin, Chuck Liddell, Chris Pratt. It's really kind of hitting social media in a big, big, big way. Over $3 million in research and development, gets rid of coffee stains, wine stains. When you think about your smile, right? That's what everybody sees. And we're gonna eat, we're gonna drink, so we gotta take care of this business. Smile is your calling card, so I'm gonna check back in with you 21 days from today. Really excited to see my results. The holidays are coming up, lots of pictures are gonna be taken. Just love this. You can customize your treatment, and I can't wait to check back in and show off my smile. Thanks for watching.